Everyone, this is Douglas. I'm here reviewing and partner with Anthony program that I've recently joined, and I wanted to give you my feedback and my thoughts on it. First, a little bit about me. I'm a corporate professional, so I do work in the corporate world. I have a full-time job. I tend to you know take part in the lessons that Anthony gives. Um, in my off time, usually in the evenings and the weekends, but it works out well. It doesn't take away from my normal job, which is very important. I wouldn't have done it otherwise, obviously. But what I really like about Anthony and the way that he approaches this and the way he delivers his program is he basically provides you with a step by step ability to create your own online business. I've looked at several of these. I've actually tried a couple over the years, and they just kind of seem to throw you out to the wolves and hope that you have success. But at the end of the day, this program, and I'm halfway through it already, but this program literally takes you from a beginning state all the way through to advanced, YouTube videos like we're doing here, and advanced ways of getting people to see your ability to have your online business, to see what he has to offer, and to see what you can sell online. So if you're considering doing affiliate marketing, you can do any products you want within this program, because what he's teaching you is basically the essentials of how to become an affiliate marketer. Provides you with all of the tools. Some of them you have to buy. Obviously, it's not expensive, but provides you with templates. Provides you with step-by-step instructions on how to do things. So if you're not technically inclined, don't worry about it. The partnership program really takes you from a non IT or a non technical perspective all the way through the program, and it's not difficult at all. You will see advances in your skills, and you will also see a confidence that you probably never had before about being able to do things online like this. So I suggest the program. The program has been fantastic for me. I've learned tons, and I think it will be good for you as well. So hey, take a click on the link I'm providing you below. Take a look at it. Might be something for you. If it's not, no big deal. But again, I don't see where you could go wrong diving in and seeing what you can do with it yourself. If you're considering any kind of online business or your own business, I think the partner with Anthony program would be beneficial. Thanks. Good luck to everyone, and see you soon. Bye bye.